All right, let's talk about making money on Fiverr. We're going to walk through exactly how I made my first $1,000 on the platform. And I'm telling you, this isn't some crazy out-of-reach goal. You can absolutely do this too. Let's get right into it.
So every single one of us starts somewhere, right? And for me, it started with this super vague offer. I will write a blog post for $5. I put it up, I waited, and nothing. For weeks, it was just crickets. It's that classic new seller mistake, and it is so frustrating.
But here's the good news. The fix wasn't some $1,000 course or some secret handshake. Nope. The breakthrough came from just tweaking a few of the right things. It's not about finding a magic bullet. It's about building a little bit of momentum by refining what you're already doing.
Okay, now look at this, because this is where it all clicks. On the left, you've got that first gig. Vague, cheap, 0 orders, total failure. But on the right, that's the rewritten gig. Super specific, way more valuable, and it pulled in over 20 orders at 10 times the price. The difference is just night and day, and it all comes down to one thing: clarity.
So how did that happen? How did we go from crickets to clients? Let's really break down the exact steps of that game-changing gig rewrite. This is the good stuff. Seriously, it was just 4 simple tweaks. That's it. First, I added SEO to the title. Instantly, that targets a buyer with a specific problem. Second, I clarified the outcome. By adding with meta description, the client knew exactly what they were getting. Third, I spent maybe 10 minutes making a simple thumbnail in Canva so it would stand out. And finally, I added specific tags like WordPress content so the right people could actually find me.
And the result? I mean, you can't make this up. After weeks of absolutely nothing, these tiny changes brought in the very first order in less than 24 hours. That is the power of specificity right there. You stop trying to sell to everyone and start selling a solution to someone.
So this wasn't just luck. It really boiled down to 3 key principles. First, specificity is magnetic. It just pulls the right clients in. Second, your thumbnail is your storefront. It's what makes people stop scrolling. And third, and this is a big one, always over-deliver. If they order 500 words, give them 650. Make it look great. That's how you turn a one-time buyer into a 5-star review and a repeat customer.
Getting that first sale feels amazing, right? But one sale doesn't pay the bills. So how do you turn that first little spark into a real, reliable income? Well, you need a system for growth. Let's dig into that.
This right here is where the psychology of pricing comes in. Don't just offer one price. You create a 3-tier system. The basic package is your entry point. The premium one is your high-ticket offer. But where do most people land? Right in the middle. The standard package suddenly looks like the best possible deal. You're basically guiding your clients to spend more, and they feel great about it. And it doesn't stop there. You can boost your average order value with these little add-ons. You want it in 24 hours? Cool, that's an express fee. You need more in-depth keyword research? That's an extra. These small upgrades are easy to do, and they can seriously pad your income on every single order.
Okay, so now you've got more orders coming in. How do you actually get the work done without going crazy? A system is everything. Time batching is a lifesaver. You dedicate specific days to specific tasks. All your research happens on Monday, all your writing is on Tuesday, editing and delivery, that's Wednesday. It stops you from constantly switching gears and lets you get into a real state of flow. You'll get so much more done.
Now let's talk about the platform itself, because being good at your skill is only half the battle. You also have to know how to play the game and get the Fiverr algorithm on your side. Here are some super simple habits that will get you way more visibility. Look, the algorithm isn't a mystery. It just wants to promote sellers who are active and reliable. So get the app on your phone and reply to messages instantly. Tweak your gig description every few weeks to show you're active. If a client has a weird request, send them a custom offer. And always follow up to get that repeat business. These are all signals to Fiverr that you're a pro.
And just as important as what to do is knowing what not to do. Please avoid these 3 mistakes. First, don't start at $5. It just screams, I'm not confident in my work. Second, never, ever skip the thumbnail. It's your one shot to grab attention. And maybe the biggest one of all, stop waiting for your gig to be perfect. Just publish it. Get it out there. You can always tweak it later. Done is better than perfect.
So we've gone through strategy, systems, the algorithm, all of it. But none of it matters if you don't take that first step. It all comes back to getting that very first win, no matter how small.
And if you're sitting there thinking, I don't even know what to offer, no problem. Just steal these. Look how specific they are. Not just a blog post, but a 1,000-word SEO blog post. Not just social media help, but 10 branded Instagram captions. These solve real problems. Seriously, take one and run with it.
So after all of this, let me ask you a question. What do you think is the single hardest dollar to earn on the entire platform? Is it your 1,000th dollar, your 100th?
It's the first 5. That first order is the biggest hurdle, mentally. It's the one that proves to yourself that this is real, that someone will actually pay you for your skills. Once you make that first $5, the second order is easier. The 10th is even easier. That first one breaks the seal. And that really brings us to the final, most important point of this entire thing. You're not waiting until you have more skill. You're not waiting until your portfolio is perfect. You're waiting on courage. The only thing stopping you from getting started right now is the courage to just hit that publish button.
So, if you're feeling ready to take that leap and you want to build on all this, you can go even deeper. Just visit www.homebizsimple.com. There's a free masterclass there that shows you the fastest path to $5,000 a month with these exact kinds of services. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck out there. Go get it.